So we have all these. This is. Finally, going to a restaurant for Indonesian food. Social contact. So we have all these. This is chicken curry. Oh, it's huge. The pieces are really huge. Oh my goodness. And then we have vegetables curry, rice curry, steamed rice, and fried rice. And we have a huge piece of chicken thigh, and roti. Enjoy! Yeah. Okay, let's try this juice. It's a mixture of strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and apple. So let's try. It's just so delicious. It's chew and it's so good. Tastes good. So this is the salad with sliced pork and umami. Here's salad, carrot, and combination is super. It's so good. Chicken soup. The flavor is like tom yum goong. There's turmeric powder, so it's like curry. That was hot, man. Not bad. Fine, Zara. I'm gonna use hands. Chicken is quite tender. It's good. Curry is not really up to the mark, but still acceptable. Let's try the vegetable curry. I like the flavor of vegetables curry more than the chicken curry. The flavor is much better. So I'm gonna try the. It's really tender. The texture, the flavor, the combination of the ingredients, good. That's really good with it. We have a good day, yeah?
Good day.